Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today is Plan With Me Monday. I will be in my Big Happy Planner, and I will be using the latest collection from the Planner Society. And this will be my last collection that I'll be using from the Planner Society, as I have a stockpile of this past year's kits, and I just need to start using more of it for my crafting project. So I decided this was going to be my last one. It is beautiful and I really love the collections. So I will put the link for Planner Society down below so you can go check out their product, because they just have absolutely beautiful product and they give you a lot of it, and that is the reason why, you know, I'm going to stop for a little bit on it. So anyways, this collection I believe is the March collection. I'm going to use these two papers here. They're pink swans, or white swans on pink paper, and the back looks like this. It's a gray and white, and then this one is a gray and white, like tulips, I suppose, and that. So we'll use those combinations. And then here's the ephemera pack. I'm not sure what all I'm going to pull out of here. Probably definitely the swan and some of the flowers. There's several sizes, so we'll see. There's lots of really pretty, here's some like journaling saying cards. This is super cute. I really like that, but I think I'll use that on a different spread. So there's also this really pretty fabric paper clip, and then a swan washi tape, and these swan sticky notes. However, I think since there is one that's that big here, I'm not going to use this. I didn't think there was a bigger sized, so I'm going to go ahead and put that away. So let's go ahead and clear this stuff up and we will get started. Guys, so it turned out really pretty. I really loved this soft pink and gray, and then there's just a little bit of soft lavender and mint in it too, but it's just so beautiful. And go ahead and check out the Planner Society. They have wonderful product. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment and subscribe, and I will see you again next Monday for another Plan With Me video. Come back Wednesday, I will have a Bible journaling video Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday are other random crafty videos. And Saturday, I'm happy to say that I am joining a collaboration. It's called Pinspiration Collaboration, and it is in collaboration with about, I think, 10 to 12 other YouTubers here. And it is sponsored, or not sponsored, but hosted by Megan W. And I will put a link down below for her channel. She does wonderful crafting as well. And I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.